Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I'm coming with an inspiration for Lemoncraft and I will be making exploding box. Inside the box you will find a little basket full of flowers and all is decorated in vintage style. To decorate my box I will be using Sense and Sensibility paper collection from Lemoncraft, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm starting with the box base and I'm folding all the walls and on the sides according to folding lines. This will help me later to fold the lid and stick it together, and also to fold the sides of the box easily. I prepared two sets of the squares to stick on the outside and inside of my box. My box is 10 by 10 centimeters and the paper is 9.6 centimeter. Obviously you can make it slightly smaller or bigger, depends on how big you want to have the border. I don't like it very big, so I just make the papers slightly smaller than the base. My second layer is 1 centimeter smaller than the first layer, and every other layer is slightly smaller than the previous one. I hope it does make sense. I use the glue to stick on my first layers, and then I'll be using foam pads for the second and every other layer, and also for all elements. You can use the foam tape, you can use the little squares, bigger squares, you know, use your favorites. I really like dimension, that's why I will be using foam pads a lot today. Before I will start decorating the inside of my box, I'm going to attach the papers to the lid and also assemble the lid. On the lid I've got 2 layers in the middle and also 2 layers on the sides of my flaps, and the second layer on the flaps is decorated with the punch, so you could use any punch you have at home, or you can use a die, just whatever you fancy, and I'm going to attach the second layer with the foam pads again. For the middle of the box I have prepared a little basket full of flowers. We've got a paper rose and little foamiran flowers in it, and also I have chosen little elements to go on the sides. I didn't want to embellish it heavily because the papers are so beautiful and I want to be able to see them. I'm also going to cut out few elements out of A4 sheet from Lemoncraft. There is a little doily, there are some butterflies and clocks, and I'm going to use them on the sides of my box as well. I'm going to start sticking everything together on the sides of my box now, those little elements. There are similar elements on each page, so I've got a piece of lace, I've got a tiny piece of chipboard, I've got a die-cut leaf, little flowers, sisal, I've got a tiny piece of cheesecloth. Those really small elements will make a very nice composition. As you can see, I have chosen the elements which are in colors matching to my paper collection. Very delicate, and also I didn't want to have big contrasts here, so everything works quite well together. And for the leaves, I die cut them out of watercolor paper, and I have inked the edges of the leaves. I couldn't find the right green paper, so I thought this look really well, and actually inking the leaves always give you a very nice result because they look more natural. I'm hoping that you will find that video very useful, and also I hope that I will inspire you to create similar project. You can see that you don't need to use many elements. You don't have to have anything very expensive here to create a really nice project, and I'm sure most of it you have already at home. You just need to look into your drawers on all your shelves and find those little pieces which you can use. As long as they are similar colors, I'm sure they will be fine. So I'm going to decorate a lid now. I'm using similar elements which I had inside. So I've got a piece of cheesecloth, I have sisal and also lovely chipboard frame and few foamiran flowers, 2 bigger and 1 smaller, and I decided to add blue leaves here as well. I know the blue leaves may be not a very natural color, but I thought they will be looking good because, you know, they're matching the papers and the flowers. So yeah, I decided to add them. And also I'm going to add 2 bows made out of the twine, and then I'm going to add roots. Those roots you can buy in many stores, they come in many colors as well. I've got some purple, beige at home, but I decided to use dark green here just to add a little bit of contrast and interest to my flower composition. To finish off my project, I decided to use some glitter. Yes, I wasn't sure, but then I thought, oh no, I have to use it. I found the perfect color, which is between a silver and gold, and I think it looks really nicely on the project. So my box will be ready. I hope you like the video, and I hope you find it interesting. And I would like to encourage you to subscribe to Lemoncraft YouTube channel and to Emilia Sieradzan YouTube channel, where I'm regularly uploading videos for paper crafting, flower making, and other projects. And I hope you will be back for more videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.